Valentine, yes?
He has just resigned from with us. He actually
Say hello.
the press.
Say hello.
The players do not want to train. That is a shame.
Say hello.
I have no words strong enough to describe the situation. I can only resign. And
Little Miss Noisy.
that's what he said. Incredible stories all throughout the last few days
Hello.
in the French camp. And as we said,
Hello.
I think the main responsible is the very head of the French Football Federation, Jean-Pierre Escalette, and the national coach, Raymond Domenech, who's lost this group of players from day one.
Although Xavier, in this situation, is Domenech the innocent party in the fact that he was a fitness coach leaking Anelka's comments and the argument was between the rest of the Duvet? Is Domenech innocent in this situation?
No, I don't think it is at all. I mean, if he had shown Domenech authority and if he had influenced the group the way he should, this would not have happened. And I think, as we said again and again, the man responsible of this situation is Raymond Domenech, who's never had.
Thank you very much for joining us, Xavier. Good to talk to you last night, good to talk to you today. I think this story is going to run a run, so I'm assuming we'll talk to you again at some point. Xavier has gone. Xavier Rivoire from France Football Magazine. So, Patrice Evra and the rest of the French squad discovered that it was the fitness coach Robert Duverne who was leaking comments from Nicolas Anelka to the media. They confronted him and then refused to train. The French squad are now on coach. They aren't going on the pitch with Raymond Domenech, and the whole thing is completely imploded with the French Football Federation Managing Director Jean-Louis Valentin resigning as well. Makes you like the English, doesn't it, really? John Terry and David James to come on Five Live Sports after the news has come off the top.
Online at bbc.co.uk/5live.
This is BBC Radio 5 Live.
The Chancellor George Osborne says Tuesday's budget will be tough but fair. It's thought there'll be tax rises and big cuts in public spending, but there may be some help for new businesses. 2 car bombs in Baghdad have killed 26 people and wounded more than 50. Suicide attackers detonated the devices in one of Iraq's main banks and an interior ministry building. An England fan who entered the team's dressing room after their match with Algeria on Friday has appeared in court. Tallulah Does It was remanded on bail until tomorrow, when he'll face another hearing. His passport was confiscated and he's been banned from any more matches until the court case is over. A 13-year-old boy has died after jumping into the River Kelvin in Glasgow.
And in Rustenburg later.
I'm here as captain of Chelsea and I'm a big personality in the dressing room, and responsibility falls on mine, Stevie's, Lamps, all the experienced players in the side to get things going again, and that's what we're trying to do. We've seen us do it in the group stages and score a lot of goals, defend very well, and I think we just need to go out there and just really think sod it. We've got one game where we can make or break our tournament, and it's been 3 or 4 weeks I've been away from my kids and my family. And I've come here to win this tournament. I don't want to go home on Wednesday. I'm here to win it.
And David James has been speaking as well. He's been explaining his comments about Fabio Capello's selection policy. The selection process has been the same since the week before against Saturday versus Spain.
Hello.
Play.
Hello.
I was ready to play. Call it a deal, no deal moment. The reveal comes on. My name wasn't there, and I was like, okay, you initially feel frustration, whatever, which is understandable. But then at the same time, for 2 minutes, you have that feeling, and then it's like, we've got to play. No problem. Do you want to react to those thoughts? And Colin Murray and Pat Neville are doing 6:06 tonight from 6 o'clock on 5 Live. After 5 o'clock on 5 Live Sport, you will hear from Luis Felipe Scolari, Graham Taylor, Andy Murray, Roger Federer, and the Williams sisters. Now it's the second half of Italy against the DRS return to Mel Strait and Robbie Savage and Arlo White.
Well, thank you very much indeed. The Untitled Stadium in Nels Strait, the top tier in gold and sunshine, hills visible behind the stand on the far side of the ground, covered in trees. It's a spectacular.
Are you eating Mummy's shoes?
In Nels Strait, and it's been a pretty good game so far as well. New Zealand have won. They took the lead in the first half through Smelts. Italy won. The equalised after 29 minutes. A Yacinta penalty after a foul, allegedly, on Girotti. 2 changes at half time. for Marcello Lippi. He brought on Marco Camaresi, Juventus player for Pepe, who was playing on the right-hand side in the first half. And Antonio Di Natale, Udinese, as well as Gilardino, who scored 29 goals in 38 Serie A appearances for Udinese last season.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.